Welcome to Instant Data Services. Today, we're introducing our Server 360 form-filling auto-typing software, an advanced automation solution designed to make Server 360 data entry faster, easier, and more accurate. Now let's see how the Server 360 form-filling auto-typing software works. First, open the image files provided by the company. Since the auto-typing software works with Excel data, the image files are converted into Excel format using our secure image-to-Excel conversion process. Here you can see the Excel file generated from the image data. Next, launch the Server 360 auto-typing software. This is the main software interface. Now open the Server 360 form. Next, upload the required pattern file and the Excel file into the software. After everything has been loaded successfully, click the Begin button. Before the countdown timer ends, place the cursor in the first field in the first record in the Server 360 form. As soon as the countdown reaches 0, the software automatically begins filling the form. The software enters every field quickly and accurately by simulating normal keyboard input, ensuring smooth and efficient form completion without repetitive manual typing. Once the form has been filled, review the entered information and save the record as required by your workflow.